Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I mentioned in my last video, today's unboxing video is all about my Greenlight Collectibles Hot Pursuit series. I've got about 5 cars in today's video, all service vehicles. I've got a 2017 Ford Police Interceptor utility. I've got a 2021 Ford Police Interceptor utility. I've got a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle. I've got a 2022 Ford Police Interceptor utility. And the last one is a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle. Alright, let's get the wheels moving. The first one is a City of North Pole Police. City of North Pole, Alaska is a 2017 Ford Police Interceptor utility, one of the most common vehicles used all across the states as a police car. Quite popular. I quite like it. Alright, let's get him out of the pack. That's the vehicle, guys. Looks really good. Beautiful white and green color scheme. Beautiful Ford logo, plastic headlights, fog lights, side mirrors, license plate, plastic tail lights. Pretty neat, guys. And the fact that this is an Alaskan police car, they've got some snow on the top, if you guys can see it. Pretty neat and pretty well done. Okay, moving on. Let's look at this Florida Highway Patrol State Trooper, Florida, USA police car. It's another 2021 Ford Police Interceptor utility. Loving this model, guys. Beautifully detailed plastic headlights, siren lights on the grille, Ford logo, siren lights at the fog lights, the siren lights on the side mirrors, plain bar siren lights up the top. Beautiful black and cream color scheme. Pretty well detailed overall. I absolutely love Greenlight releases, guys. They do a fantastic job with service vehicles. All right, the next one is a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Police Pursuit vehicle, part of Houston Metro Police, Houston, Texas. Nice, guys. Take a look at this, guys. Beautiful white and blue color scheme. 911 on the side, dial 911, Metro Police in the front, painted grille, headlights. I wonder why they put the Chevy logo in black. It's normally gold. I can probably try and modify that one. Side mirrors, siren lights, side steps. Just beautiful, guys. And being a Greenlight metal chassis makes the vehicle nice and heavy. It's got a good feel to it. All right, let's keep moving. 2022 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, part of Fishers Police Department, Fishers, Indiana. Look at this absolutely fantastic model, guys. Just impeccable. Thank you, Greenlight, and thank you, Lord Jesus. Painted tail lights, chrome exhaust, side mirrors, siren lights on the grille, beautiful Ford logo, siren lights on the side mirrors, as well as the fog lights. Just fantastic, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, the last one in today's video is a 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Police Pursuit Vehicle, part of General Motors fleet, Detroit, Michigan. Another beautiful model, guys. Well, you look at that, guys. 9C1 on the roof, siren lights. That one's a little misaligned, but I don't know what I can do about it. Painted headlights, side mirrors, siren lights on the side mirrors, side steps, painted tail lights. They've got some sort of license plate going on, but I wish they had a bit of contrast going on as well. That's kind of blended into the vehicle's color. Still pretty good, guys. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of the video. We had a look at a Ford utility, another Ford utility, a Chevy Tahoe, one more Ford utility, and another Chevy Tahoe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all. And I will catch you in my next unboxing video. I'm just going to continue with my Greenlight. And then I'm going to go back to my last set of Major Red. And then I'll think about what I'll be doing next. Thanks for watching, guys.